Good job, Cookin, so. Suck it to me.
You never know till you finally go there. Mama told me dream big like my forehead. My wig brushed back, 10 racks to get repaired. Well, I guess I'm fucking bitches in knitted caps again. Skip the baggage claim, but straight to roll there.
We're here. About to do the train test drive. Watch a little bit of YouTube and saw some tips, so maybe this is right.
Have fun.
Oh, there it is, check it out. Wow.
I think our technique is gonna work perfectly. Look at this. I need at least $10 for gas.
You need at least 30 to pay for dinner.
Okay. Got you.
Got a minute. Got a minute to grab money, babe. You gotta pay for dinner. Wow. Look at it. Technique. That's awesome.
Yeah. $2. Have a drink.
95, 97, 97, 98, 99,
100.
100.
You beat wrong.
1, 2, 3, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Pretty good. Good one.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Yeah. High five.
You scored.
Thanks. Oh.
Score.
We're gonna have some dinner and gifts.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Elbows.
Congratulations.
Bro, you're gonna be a part of the vlog now. Dude, you have a bigger reach. You can like make it, oh, see? Damn it, bro. This is how you flex. This is how you flex, bro. Oh, I need a hand sanitizer, man. Boom. All right, we're back.
He got money.
He got money. We're back. We just finished. Gave some tips to homeboy Alonzo. Bro, 170. Look at that stack. It's like Doughboy stack. So I'm gonna take my lady out to eat. Had a good time, man. That was fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun, actually.
Thank you to Nissan Tested.
Thank you, Nissan Tested.
And SoCal Z.
Shout out.
And Loveless for holding an awesome show.
Thank you guys. Doing it for the kids too, and you know what? Yeah, it was worth it. It was a fun time. So, let's go eat.
New York, let's go. Y'all ready to go? Up top, let's go. Brooklyn, let's go. Brand new boogeyman, fresh in your hood. The ghetto never sounded so good. What is this? Turn it up. The fuck was that? Exactly. It's simple.
Take her out for dinner. Damn, fool. How much did you get, fool? You got some foods. You know what? We're gonna watch some Survivor too, cause you know what? We hungry. And we want to watch something cool.
We should go back to that other spot. That other house. The one house.
We're checking out some Christmas lights, cause hey, Chrysler. We cut this whole last line.
I mean, it's a stop sign, so they have to stop. They can't just keep going.
We're just gonna go for it.
But it's a stop sign, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go for it too. It's synchronized all together. That's so cool.
How fun! Ah! Ooh! Ooh!
Break the break.
Ooh, how fun! I love it! Oh my god, that's so cool! That's really cool. I'm gonna cry too.
We donated money.
We ask that if, while watching the show, we manage to light up your heart and put a smile on your face,
Let's see
that
how
you
long
make
it's
a
like.
donation to the City of Hope.
We donated.
A donation
We
box is
accidentally
mounted
cut
on the front
everyone,
of the
but we
mailbox
didn't
in
know.
the street.
Look at that line, dude.
100%
We really
your
didn't
donation
know.
goes
We just
to
didn't
the
know,
efforts
guys.
of
Sorry.
their efforts
Oh,
to
oh,
help
sorry.
You should just tell everyone to be like, hey, go the other way if you don't want to wait.
All right, we're headed home now. I had a fun time. Did you have a fun time, baby?
Me too. That was really lit.
That was a lit ass showing. Literally lit. All right, so we're gonna head home, rest up, and yeah, that's it. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.